Importing an Excel BOQ. In the EJM system, navigate to the Project tab. All New Project will appear. Select the project you want to work on. First, create the project if it is not created already. Navigate to the Estimate tab. Select the Import Excel Bill of Quantity option on the Task section. Before you import the Excel document, you first need to do a couple of things on the document to help it communicate better with the system. Open the Excel document from your PC. Let's do some housekeeping. The BOQ must be formulated in a specific hierarchy as per the screenshot attached. Insert an additional column on your BOQ and name it header type, ensuring that every line on the BOQ is allocated a specific header type as per the header type codes on the screenshot. Note that a BOQ must have at least one main header type in order to import your BOQ correctly. Delete any additional information on the BOQ and ensure that the first row contain new BOQ headers. When you are done, save the document. Ensure that you close the document before importing it to the system. Log back into the system, and let's continue where we left. Locate the Excel BOQ file we just finished working on. Open. Note that we have two tabs on our Excel document that the system has picked up. Let's start by choosing which columns the system must import. Header type. Item code. Description. Unit. Quantity. Sell rate. Ignore the other columns if necessary. Ensure that the Import Sheet tick box is checked to enable the BOQ to import correctly. Let us untick the Import Sheet option on this sheet, since we don't want to import any information from this sheet. When you are satisfied, click on the Import and Close button. Let us verify if the Excel BOQ was imported correctly. Select the Bill of Quantity option on the Task section. Modify the BOQ if required, and save your work.